Hi everyone, in front of me I've got XIAOMI 13T and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and right here it does not really matter whether we will be on the video, photo mode, portrait mode, whatever. We have to open the settings. Before we'll do that, I hope that you can see the grid lines and this kind of cross which is in the middle of the camera. I've applied them before I've started recording to show you the visual evidence that the reset option will work, so they should disappear. Alright, let's open the settings. We have to swipe our finger from the top to the center or to the bottom of our device and then tap on settings. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on restore default settings and confirm it with OK. As you can see, the settings flashed a little bit, and after getting back to the camera, we can see the very first evidence that the reset option worked, because we have to select a style, and we can do it whenever we are opening the camera for the very first time after the configuration process. So we can use this one. The second evidence, because we've got this information, then we have to swipe down to open the menu. And the third evidence, we do not have the grid lines applied, so we just successfully reset camera settings. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.